Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sidewall repair kit is probably one of the most underrated tools you can have in your car. Imagine this, you're miles from home, and suddenly, a sidewall cut. Without the right kit, you're stranded. This video will show you everything you need to know about choosing the perfect sidewall repair kit, ensuring you're prepared for any roadside emergency and keeping you rolling. Number 5. Rhino USA 86-piece tire repair kit. Tired of flat tires? This comprehensive kit from Rhino USA is designed to get you back on the road quickly. It includes everything you need to repair punctures and get going again. By choosing this product, you're supporting a family business. They offer USA-based live phone support, so you can get help when you need it. This kit has 86 essential items. It includes repair plugs, tools, and more. It's designed to handle a variety of tire repair situations. With durable tools and plenty of plug strings, this kit is built to last. You can repair up to 60 tires, making sure you're always prepared. Rain, snow, or extreme heat, this kit is ready. It provides dependable performance in any climate, season, or environment. The kit comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee. If you have any issues, they'll make sure you're satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. This kit is a comprehensive solution, packed with 86 essential items, ensuring you're prepared for any flat tire situation. It's designed for longevity, allowing you to repair up to 60 tires. If you value peace of mind and want a kit that stands behind its quality, this is the one. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting solution with a lifetime guarantee, you should consider this. What people say. It's compact and comes in a sturdy case that keeps everything organized and easy to access. The tools feel high quality, and the kit includes everything you need for quick, on-the-go tire repairs. Contains all the necessary utensils to repair a flat automobile, motorcycle, or truck SUV tire or multiple tires. Number 4. Vehiclex Tire Repair Kit with Aluminum Handled Tools. Are you tired of flat tires ruining your day? This kit has everything you need for quick fixes, whether you're on the road or off-road. It's designed to get you back on your way with ease. The ergonomic design ensures a secure grip. The robust T-tool performance gives you better control during tire repair. This kit is built to last and make the job easier. The self-vulcanizing tire strings create a strong, lasting seal. You can have peace of mind knowing that it will keep you going. This kit provides a reliable solution for unexpected flats. This kit is ideal for cars, motorcycles, ATVs, and more. It handles unexpected flat tires on a variety of vehicles. It's a must-have for any vehicle owner. This kit includes durable tools and provides effortless valve core maintenance. Everything is stored in a robust zippered bag for on-the-go convenience. It's the perfect solution for tire care. What we like. This kit stands out with its durable aluminum-handled tools, offering a secure grip and better control during repairs. The self-vulcanizing tire plugs ensure a strong, reliable seal. If you prioritize ease of use and organization, this kit's ergonomic design and zippered bag make it a perfect choice. If you are looking for a kit that combines durability with convenience, you should consider this. What people say. The plug tool is well made and the T-handle makes it easy to use. The kit includes everything needed to repair a tire. The kit comes with a good quality rasp and insertion tool. Number 3. GlueTread Tubeless Tire Patch Kit. Tired of replacing tires? This kit helps you repair slices and punctures, extending the life of your off-road tires. It's a cost-effective solution compared to buying new ones. You don't need to remove the tire from your vehicle. This kit is designed for easy application, saving you time and effort. It's a simple process to get you back on the road. The kit includes enough material to patch up to 4 tires. It's perfect to keep in your truck, ATV, or UTV for emergencies. This ensures you're prepared for unexpected tire damage. This kit can repair both sidewall and treaded areas of your tire. It's designed to handle various types of damage, providing a comprehensive repair solution. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for off-road enthusiasts. This kit works on ATVs, UTVs, tractors, and golf carts. It's a versatile solution for various off-road vehicles. Remember, this product is designed for off-road use only. What we like. This kit allows you to repair your tire without removing it from your vehicle, saving you time and effort. It provides enough material to patch up to 4 tires, making it a cost-effective solution. If you're looking for a quick and easy fix, especially for off-road use, this is the ideal choice. If you like the idea of a straightforward repair process without the hassle of tire removal, you should consider this. What people say. The instructions are easy to comprehend and follow. Everything in the kit functions as it is supposed to, as in the sandpaper actually works and doesn't fall apart when you use it to scuff the tire. The glue and applicator tips work as intended. Followed instructions on the package and really sanded the puncture area extensively, made sure the puncture area surface all sanded and even. Applied the glue first on the punctured cut and then applied glue droplet using the narrow adapter provided with the kit, 25 droplets per square inch. Placed the patch and pressed on it for about a minute and let it dry for about 3 hours. Used the external patch kit to do this and we have used it about 3 hours since then without the patch coming off. Note that I nearly completely deflated the tire before applying so it would be easier to push the 2 sides of the cut together. Number 2. CTR 68 PCS Universal Tire Repair Kit. This mega value kit includes 68 essential pieces. It has everything you need to fix a flat tire quickly and easily, from tools to gloves. It's all there to get you back on the road fast. This heavy-duty kit is built to last. Made with high-quality steel and premium repair cords, it outperforms the competition. You can rely on it for long-lasting results. The tools are ergonomically designed with easy grip T-handles. This provides a non-slip experience, making tire repair effortless. A comprehensive instruction manual is included to guide you. The kit comes in a vibrant red carrying case. It's sturdy and easy to spot, perfect for on-the-go fixes. Just keep it in your trunk for whenever you need it. CTR is a renowned Korean brand in the auto parts industry. This kit is functional, reliable, and reusable. It's an essential part of your safety equipment, central to your safety. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive 68-piece set, ensuring you have all the tools you need for any flat tire. The ergonomic tools with easy grip T-handles make the repair process effortless. If you value convenience and ease of use, this kit's portable design and comprehensive instructions make it a great choice. If you are looking for a kit that is easy to use and carry around, you should consider this. What people say. Worked perfectly. The reamer and insert tool are high quality. Tire has been holding air perfectly. Patch was awesome. Excellent tire plug kit, has everything you need to plug tires. Fixed my motorbike's rear tire first time. Easy to use and plenty of parts for future use. Number 1. GlueTread Off-Road Tire Repair Kit. Tired of replacing tires? This kit helps you repair sidewall slices, punctures, and gashes. It restores tire integrity, allowing you to keep riding without the cost of a new tire. Stuck on the trail? No problem. This kit lets you patch damage without removing the tire. Get back to riding quickly and easily, with no shop visit needed. This kit includes a thick patch for larger punctures and tears. It offers more coverage and durability than standard kits, ensuring a strong and lasting repair. This versatile kit seals damage on both the sidewall and tread areas. It's a one-stop solution for multiple types of off-road tire damage. From ATVs and UTVs to tractors, this kit is compatible with a wide range of off-road tires. It's reliable, rugged, and purpose-built for off-road use only. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for off-road tires, allowing you to repair sidewall and tread damage without removing the tire. The heavy-duty patch provides extra coverage and durability for more serious damage. If you're an off-road enthusiast who needs a reliable solution for sidewall damage, this is the perfect choice. If you are looking for a kit that is designed for off-road use, you should consider this. What people say. I was able to use a piece of the rubber provided along with the glue. This not only concealed the visual defect but also strengthened the area. I used an orbital and 60 grit instead of the 80 grit and hand sanding. End result, tire is holding great and I have enough material to replace 5 times if I need to. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.